welcome all of you in this class. Today I am going to describe a very important topic for you, which is taken from your chapter Reflection and Refraction of Light. That is image formation in concave mirror. Okay, in concave mirror there are 6 cases presented on which image are formed. Number 1 is when object is at infinity. That means object is located very far distant from the surface of the earth. That is, it is located at the distance of stars, sun, etc. At infinity, that means the point where no one can reach. Okay? That means the rays of light coming from parallel to the principal axis, incident at a point of the mirror, and after reflection passing through its focus. Another ray is same rules obeys and passing through the focus after reflection from the mirror, and hence two reflected rays are intersected at the focus of concave mirror, so image is formed at the focus. In this case, images were formed at the focus. And what is the nature of the image? The image is real, inverted and highly diminished as point size. Here, no size of the image is located. That means image is as point size. Okay? Now, second one is when object is beyond center of curvature. Okay? Then image is formed between focus and center of curvature. Focus and center of curvature of the concave mirror. Look here, a ray of light coming from the head of the object AB, and after reflection passing through the focus, another ray is coming from the head of the object passing towards the focus, and after reflection becomes parallel to the principal axis. Here, though reflected rays are intersected to each other, that means image is A dash B dash is formed. If we find out the nature of the image, then we obtain the image is real inverted. AB is upward while A dash B dash is downward, and its nature is real inverted and smaller than the object. Okay? Third one is when object is at center of curvature. When object is at center of curvature, then image is formed also at the center of curvature. The ray diagram is here. the ray of light coming from the head of the object AB and after reflection passing through the focus. Another ray originated from its head and passing towards the focus after reflection becomes parallel to the principal axis. Two reflected rays are meet at the point and image is formed A dash B dash. Object is also located at the center of curvature and image is also formed at the center of curvature. If we observe the nature of the image, then we find that image is real, inverted and same size of the object. This is the only one case in which image is formed same size. Okay. Fourth one is here. When object lies between center of curvature and focus of concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. Here ray diagram is located. The ray coming from infinity passing through the head of the object after reflection from the mirror passing through its focus. Okay. And another ray started from the head of the object incident obliquely at the pole of the mirror and obeying from the rule of reflection reflected. Two reflected rays are meet here and image is formed A dash B dash. Image is formed A dash B dash. Image is formed A dash B dash. Here image is beyond center of curvature. Here image is beyond center of curvature. Okay. Another, that means 5 number case is here. When object is at the focus of concave mirror. Okay. The ray originated from the infinity passing through the head of the object after reflection passing through the focus. Okay. Another ray started from the center of curvature and after reflection retraces its own path. And after reflection both two reflected rays become parallel to each other. And all of you know that two parallel lines are never meet to each other, but we assume that two parallel lines are meet at infinity. So the image is formed at infinity. And the nature of the image is real, inverted and highly magnified. Okay. You can guess stars are very, very larger than the sun, but when we see it appears as like as point size. Okay. Hence the image formed in this case is infinity and highly magnified. Okay. 6 number case is here. In this case, when object lies between focus and pole. This is the focus and this is the center of curvature. This is the pole of the concave mirror. Here object is AB. The rays started from the head of the object AB after reflection passing through the focus of the concave mirror. Another rays originated from its head and incident obliquely at the pole of the mirror and obeying law of reflection reflected. And the distance between both reflected rays becomes larger to larger. That means gradually increased. Okay? And both rays are never seems to meet each other, but it is appeared their origin point is same. When we draw an imaginary line, then image is formed behind the mirror. This is the single case and most important case of the concave mirror, in which virtual image is formed. All above 5 cases, only real and inverted image is formed. But here, virtual, erect and magnified image is formed. That means nature is real, inverted, virtual, erect and magnified. Image is larger than the object. Okay? So for this, we discuss here how image is formed in the case of concave mirror. Now I am going to explain image formation in convex mirror, because you have convex mirror. Also convex mirror image formation. Our new topic is image formation in convex mirror. In convex mirror, only 2 cases are presented, and convex mirror, in convex mirror always virtual and erect image is formed. Virtual and erect image is formed. Okay? Due to this reason, the area of convex mirror is shorter than with respect to the concave mirror, but both mirrors have same importance also. Okay? Image formation in convex mirror. This is the topic. Okay? Number 1, when object is at infinity. When object is at infinity. Okay? This is the convex mirror. Okay? This is its principal axis. And this is the pole. Mirror is located as MM dash. The rays of light coming from infinity after reflection from the mirror diverges in front of the mirror. Similarly, another rays arises and reflected back in the same medium. When we virtually try to meet, then it is found that both reflected rays are meet at point on the principal axis. This fixed point is called focus. That means here two reflected rays are virtually meet at the focus of the convex mirror, and hence image is formed at the focus. And nature when the image is virtual, erect and highly diminished. Okay, that is as like as points. Okay. Second case is here. Second case, when object is anywhere in front of convex mirror between infinity and the pole, then image is formed between its pole and focus according to the diagram. This diagram. Okay. Second case is here, when object is in anywhere in front of convex mirror. Okay. Then image is formed. This is the convex mirror and this is the principal axis. Okay. Suppose here an object is located. The ray of light coming from infinity and after reflection diverges from the mirror. When we meet it, then it is originated from the focus. Another ray started from the head of the object AB, okay, and passing through assume to be passing through its center of curvature. After reflection from the mirror, retraces its own path, okay, and the point here, two imaginary reflected lines are intersected at that point. A dash B dash image is formed. Okay. Here arrow marks is upward. In the image, arrow mark is also upward. That means image is formed. This is the pole of the mirror, pole and focus, and the nature, the image is virtual, erect and smaller than the object, Okay. For this, we are discussing here image formation in both mirrors. That means concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay. Now in next class, I will teach you mirror formula and other related terms. Thank you.